Sneezing is your body's way of saying, hold on tight. But why can't you sneeze with your eyes open? Let's find out. Sneezing is a reflex, a full-body reaction to clear irritants from your nose. Your eyes shut automatically to protect them. It's like your body saying, don't worry, I've got this. And no, your eyes won't pop out if you sneeze with them open. That's just a myth. Your body shuts them to keep irritants out, not to keep your eyeballs in. Sneezes can hit speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. That's why your body locks down, your eyes close, your chest tightens, and your nose goes incoming. So next time you sneeze, embrace the reflex. Your body knows what it's doing.